Hi! I just wanted to show you this. I'm in the Annie's Hook and Needle Club. And I haven't opened it. I've been saving it to open it live with you guys. So here it goes. I don't even know. I hope I don't. I'm in their crochet club. The crochet club. Used to get these a lot, but you can go online now and then you can just get them however you want. But let's see what this package. Woohoo! What am I gonna try? I like opening it because it's such a surprise. I get so excited about it. Check it out. Oh my gosh! Look it. Just so happens. Well, it's funny how life works. Just so happens this year is about scarves for me, and guess what? They sent me this. I get to make pocket scarves. So check it out. Check it out, because this year is about donating scarves. I've already made about 15. I think I made 15. Last I counted. I'm trying to make a scarf all the time, but this is awesome. This is so awesome. And when it's done, I will show you. Oh, let me show you how it comes in case you're interested. Anyways, you get these, and I don't know how much they charge, but it's because I get it taken out automatic. But like I said, I think I get one every 4 months now, because anyways, but oh my gosh. It's so soft, and you don't know what yarn you're getting because they never really, it's their yarn. It's their yarn, but you can see this. If you're a knitter, there's instructions to knit. And if you're, oh, there it is, I'm sorry. If you're a knitter, there you go. If you're a crocheter like me, there it is. It's all there. And skill level is easy. Tells you how to do it. Oh my gosh. Sweet. I'm so excited. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys this. And when I get it done, I will show you. Because I will put it in probably with the rest of mine. Okay, well, thanks for watching.